Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day this video. Oh boy, it's getting hot here at my basement here. It's a very hot day. It's about, I think, over 100 Fahrenheit outside right now. They said this week is supposed to be a heat wave. And so I've already actually had to turn off a few ASIC miners because they were getting pretty toasty. And in my ASIC area over here, you guys can see it's 123 Fahrenheit back here. I got a lot of resistance and voltage drop as well because things are getting quite hot. And let me show you the temperature over here. My intake over here is about 105 Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius. So it's getting hot in here. Things are beginning to heat soak everywhere. The concrete is also warm. Actually, no, it's kind of cold, but everything else is getting heated to the max right now because it's a very, very sunny day, very hot day right now, and all of my little miners here are still going, but I actually had to turn off a Ice River KS3 because this thing was shutting down. I have not repasted this one. This one will need to be repasted. But yeah, it's getting hot here. Let me know if you guys are having a bit of heat issues right now. It's unbearable. Overboard Tech, we miss you, man. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys a few things. I just wanted to go through and see how hot everything is. I'm gonna do a heat gun on just various things like my GPUs, ASIC areas, I guess the contacts for my 240 volt 30 amp circuits. Okay, we're also gonna do some heat on my circuit panel over there as well, just to see how hot things are, and yeah, just to show you guys. But yeah, it's getting hot here, and you know, I'm a pretty decent large, medium scale miner. I'd say not large, but medium, maybe large at home crypto miner, okay? That I'm doing this in my basement and doing the best I can with what I have here. I haven't done any like hot or cold aisle or anything like that. I am actually meaning to do something like that so I can separate, you know, like the octo miners, for instance, because, you know, everything is getting pretty hot. Everything's getting heat soaked right now. The whole basement here, and also the ASICs. So if I can isolate them in the near future, probably next week, I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get some like foam board and, you know, cut out the pieces for the ASICs and, you know, maybe stop it right here so that the heat doesn't come back out and heat up the ASIC. Anyways, yeah, my 3070 rigs, all of them here on this rack, are all mining Zealous at this point in time. The intake temperature right now is about 103 Fahrenheit, and for my non-American friends, it's 39 degrees Celsius here. So I have one 3070 rig that's on fire, or has the fire symbol. It looks like we got one GPU at 75 degrees Celsius. All right, so if we go into the rig, all right, we got one, even though this 3070 is at 93 watts mining, the fan speed's at 90, but then the temperature of the GPU is at 76 degrees Celsius. So that's getting quite toasty. You know what? What if I change the fan speed on this one to 100? Would that fare a little better? Let's see. 100, okay, and I'm gonna see if that cools down a little bit better. Otherwise, I think this one may need to be repasted. So I will take that GPU out another time. But let's just look at, you know, okay, how hot everything is. Okay, so it looks like, wow, my octo miners seem to be okay, generally okay in the front area here. Okay, the hottest point, it looks like the fans, it's taking the hottest point there. The fans are about 50 degrees Celsius. 51. Okay, we got a hot spot right here, right in the dead center. Look at that. You guys can see all the red there? It's almost, let's see, going in further, it's about 54 degrees max. So I think a lot of the heat is being trapped right in the middle of my octo miners. You guys can see there. So that's interesting. All the heat must be conjugating right there. That's interesting to look at. All right, now the 240 volt 30 amp circuits. Let's see here. Looks like we got one of them is hitting up almost 56 degrees Celsius. So that one in the corner is 56 degrees Celsius, right at that point there. The rest of them are all under 57. Oh, the one on the very left is 57 degrees Celsius. So that's pretty hot. That's pretty hot. But I think, you know, breakers and that kind of stuff can go up to, don't quote me on this, but I think 100 degrees Celsius. So I think I'm good. I'm under 60 degrees on these connections here. Okay, let's go. Look at this, guys. I got my 3 solid 3090 rigs. They're just computing away on solid, and man, these look really, really beautiful. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a profit update once I hit that chef's hat or something after 50 hours. Then, you know, these should have the ability to get the higher paying containers, which I have 64 gigs of RAM on each of these and 3090s. Okay, so yeah, I mean, let's see, are any of these getting hot? Let's see, this one is, hottest part of the 3090 there is 60 degrees Celsius. Yeah, this one is also, oh, this one's at 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, anyways, let's see, this room is not too bad, it's not too hot. In my server rack over here, the temperature is about 93 Fahrenheit, so it's a little bit cooler here. It is very dry as well, but how hot are my circuit panels? So this is where my 240 volt 30 amp circuits are. Looks like I got a 71 degrees Celsius one. The hottest one is this one right here. This fourth one down is the ASIC. This is the ASIC breaker. Okay, the rest of them are hitting up, yeah, 70 degrees Celsius there. The center, 71. Yeah, 72 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so these are very hot. Let me know down below if you guys know what the maximum temperature these breakers can go. Okay, so it's getting pretty hot. Let's look at this circuit panel here. Okay, this breaker, this top breaker right here is showing 77, maximum 77 degrees Celsius. Ooh, that red part there. Oh yeah, let's see let's see at the contacts, at the terminals. The terminals center there is showing, ooh, 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, the terminals are at 80 degrees Celsius, so that's getting pretty toasty. Let's see. Oh, look at this. The cabling too. The 10.2 Romex is at 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, 48 degrees Celsius on the Romex. Yeah, center, max is center, yeah, 47 degrees. Okay, look at that. It's going, look at the heat. Look at the heat signature. We're following all the way to my my GPUs and ASICs. That's just terrible to think about. But I think we're okay. I think anything under, I was just reading online, anything under 100, I mean, these should be able to handle that type of heat. But you guys let me know if that's not a thing or not. But let's see, the main 200 amp breaker on this panel's at 54 degrees Celsius. Okay, this one over here is at 39. Okay, so this is, I thought this looks pretty hot, but it's at 39 degrees Celsius, so not too bad. These don't seem to be too bad at all. Okay, we're back at the laptop. I just want to see if the temperature dropped down on this GPU or not. Let's press F5, and let's see. Oh, it died. Okay. What? It stopped mining. What? Let me go back. Let's see. Did this whole rig just die? Oh no. I changed the fan speed and the whole rig went down. GPU exceeded 82 degrees Celsius, shutting down. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, so it's this rig right here. Okay, we're gonna turn it back on. Wow, why did it, wait, I put the fan to 100. Maybe the fan's dead. Maybe the fans are broken on that 3070, whichever one that is. Let me just see here. Okay, it's gonna turn back on. I do have the GPU temperature setting to auto shut off the rig because you know, in case things get hot, that's my fail safe. You know, I don't wanna go past 85 degrees Celsius on these GPUs at any given time, okay? So, with this heat wave coming, and I know a lot of you guys in North America, it's getting hot over here, you know, just make sure you have, if you're running Hive OS or any type of mining operating system, that you have a fail-safe, okay? So when you're mining and, you know, let's say your exhaust fan decides to shut off or something, or, you know, you have a fire or I don't know, anything, surge, whatever, that you have your GPUs that they'll be able to turn off in some way, okay? Power goes out, obviously everything will shut down, so that's good and that's fine. But in terms of if an exhaust fan dies, for instance, which I've had happen to me before, you know, these things will be overheating like crazy. And so that's why I have general fan settings on and critical temperature 82, and I have shutdown, because, you know, I don't want these to run at, you know, super hot temperatures, or else these are gonna burn. Okay, so looks like that number 2 rig came back on. I'm gonna remove these messages here, and let's just see. I'm gonna give this, like, I don't know, 10 minutes. So I'll be right back. Nope, it's still hot. It's still very hot, and this GPU, something's wrong. I think it just needs to be repasted, or maybe the fans are dead. It does say it's at 90% fan, not 100 that I specified here, so that's kind of weird. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to state, you know, my current situation. I'm sure a lot of you guys, I mean, that are at this kind of scale, it's getting hot. All right, it's getting pretty hot, and I'm gonna need to figure out a solution sooner or later, or else if things start getting hotter, it's gonna get very bad. Yeah, just everything is hot, and I feel like maybe my exhaust fans are not enough. I'm also kind of limited. My intakes are not enough as well. So yeah, I should really have more airflow going in here. I think that's one of the big things, but I will figure that out. I'll figure it out. You guys let me know what you think, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I want to give away an RX 5700 XT, okay, and an RPM sticker. So just comment down below if you're in USA or Canada, and your thoughts about anything in this video. Let me know down below, and I'll choose the winner after 24 hours after this video is uploaded. All right, good luck everyone. You guys have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.